Inside the Flir A40 Research and Development Kit is everything you need to take your first step into professional thermal measurement. At the heart of the kit is the Flir A40 thermal camera, delivering calibrated radiometric data that allows you to visualize, measure, and analyze temperature with confidence. Alongside the camera, you'll find the essential accessories needed to get up and running quickly, making it easy to move from unboxing to experimentation in just a few minutes. Connect the camera, launch Research Studio, and you're ready to begin capturing thermal data, recording experiments, and exploring temperature in ways that simply aren't visible to the naked eye. Whether you're investigating material behavior, biological response, heat transfer, or engineering challenges, the A40 R&D Kit provides an accessible gateway into thermal discovery. Because every expert was once a student, every discovery starts somewhere. Start with Flir. Grow with Flir.